Meaning of dreadlocks.
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 Dreadlocks. Dreadlocks are a hairstyle characterized by matted or coiled strands of hair that have not been combed, brushed, or washed for an extended period. The resulting hairstyle can vary in length and thickness. Dreadlocks are often associated with Rastafarian culture and have cultural significance in various other communities. This hairstyle is achieved by allowing the hair to grow and mat naturally or by twisting and backcombing sections of hair. Dreadlocks require maintenance to prevent them from becoming too heavy and damaging the scalp.